Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, hashtags with Future. In this video, we'll be creating an origami model called as Balloon Bunny. Let's see how it looks. So guys, this is how the final model of Balloon Bunny looks like. So let's keep this aside and let's start making it. For this, you'll need a square piece of paper. It can be of any material and any size. So first, you need to fold it from this point to this point along the diagonal axis, something like this. Press it properly so that you get a crease. Open it back, you'll get a crease here. Similarly, you need to do it for the other side, from this point to this point along this diagonal axis. Press it properly, open it again, you'll get this X crease formed here. Now rotate your paper and you need to fold it from this point to this point along the horizontal axis. Open it up again. Now you gently need to press the paper along these creases which are formed, something like this. So just gently press it so that, and then something like this. You get a triangle formed here. Press it properly so that it gets the shape. You keep two pieces, two cones this side, you keep two cones this side. So now you pick one edge from this side and fold it like this. Similarly, you pick the one from this side and fold it. Now from this point you need to fold it something like this. Press it properly so that it doesn't unfold it. Similarly on this side. This is how it looks. Now there should be two flaps, one there and one here. So pick the one and fold it until this crease, until this edge, something like this. And similarly this side. Now hold this flap and fold it to form a smaller triangle like this. Similarly on this side. Now the important part, you need to fold this triangular flap inside this opening, something like this. Press it properly and close it. This forms a lock here. Similarly, you need to do it for this side. So open this and pick this triangular flap and put it inside and press it properly. This is how both the flaps gets locked. Now we have completed this side of the balloon bunny. We need to complete the opposite side of it. So let's rotate the paper. Here, just make sure you have these creases properly. So hold this one side and then fold it something like this till the center. Similarly, you do it on this side. This is how it looks. Now pick this one flap and fold it. This is a vertical line here. You need to make this vertical line horizontal here along this point. So something like this. This vertical line turns horizontal here along this rotating point. Similarly, you need to do it on this side. Something like this. Now you pick this corner and fold this entire thing to the center like this. Similarly on the opposite side. Press it tightly so that it doesn't get unfolded. Now you close this like this. Align it properly. And then similarly you close this side downwards. Press it on all corners so that it retains the shape. And now the best part, you need to blow from this hole here so as to form a balloon. So let me blow it. And this gets the balloon shape. You need to blow it from this point. And this is the final balloon bunny model. So guys, I hope you are able to make a cute bunny. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment your views about this video, and most important, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest updates. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you back in my next video. Take care guys.